the 90-second Semicolon, Part 2 by Zachary Koppelman. Semicolons are used in two basic ways: to connect two closely related sentences and to separate items in a list or series. Part 2 focuses on the second use. Here are two examples. When we traveled over break, we stayed in a number of places: Cheyenne, Wyoming, Denver, Colorado, Boise, Idaho, and Salt Lake City, Utah. And we traveled across a few states: Indiana, Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas, Idaho, Wyoming, Utah, Colorado, and Missouri. Both examples contain lists, but one uses semicolons to separate each element of the list while the other uses commas. Both examples are correct, but the elements within the lists are different. In the first example, each element already has a comma: Cheyenne, Wyoming. To avoid confusion, a semicolon is used to separate the elements. Otherwise, the sentence would read like this: When we traveled over spring break, we stayed in a number of places: Cheyenne, Wyoming, Denver, Colorado, Boise, Idaho, Salt Lake City, and Utah. Now it looks like Boise and Wyoming are equal places, not a city and a state. This use of the semicolon is the only use that is required, and is only required in a list or series in which an element already has a comma. It is important to note that sometimes you may see a semicolon used to separate elements in a list in which the elements do not already have commas. The elements are much longer phrases or complete sentences. This is done to help the reader better understand the sentence, and is technically correct. However, it is very rare and should be avoided. This has been the 90-second Semicolon, Part 2 by Zachary Koppelman, in cooperation with the Purdue Online Writing Lab and prepared for the Mechanical Engineering Writing Enhancement Program.